This problem asks us to find our 6 trig functions given the following information. We have that sine of theta is the square root of 3 over 2. So I'm going to write that in, the square root of 3 over 2, as well as cosine of theta is 1/2. All right, so 1 over 2. Now what you might want to do with this is draw your own picture. If they don't give you one, we can always make our own, right? And so here I have a right triangle. Okay, I don't quite know where anything is yet. I'm going to put a theta in there. Let's say we put theta right here. Okay, and just kind of based off what they give me, sine, the opposite over the hypotenuse, is going to be the square root of 3 for my opposite over the hypotenuse 2. Okay, let's see if that lines up for cosine. Cosine is going to be 1/2, which is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, or I could say 1 over the 2. So now, based off of that information, I have all the parts that I need to find the rest. Okay, let's see if we can try that. Maybe the first one I'll do is tangent. Tangent should be the square root of 3 over 1, right? Opposite over adjacent. Square root of 3 over 1 is just going to be the square root of 3. So you can simplify it there. Okay, and then the other ones, remember, we can just flip our fractions and simplify if possible. For example, this one could become 2 over the square root of 3 for cosecant, as sine was just the square root of 3 over 2. Now, I can't have a square root in the bottom. I have to rationalize my denominator, which means I'm going to take this times the square root of 3 over itself, giving me 2 square roots of 3 over 3. Okay, there's nothing else I can simplify there, so that is the answer on that one. Here, secant, just going to flip the 2 and the 1 to be 2 over 1 or 2. And then the last one is going to be cotangent. This was the square root of 3 over 1, so we can make it 1 over the square root of 3. Again, I have to rationalize that denominator, and that's going to give me the square root of 3 over 3. All right, so those are our 6 trig functions. Without giving a picture this time, we drew our own, but we were able to find all 6.